Msizi to Gogo Sia's house and overheard him say that he had a hand in Shoki's death. She was devastated, confronted him, and told him that he has 24 hours to hand himself over to the police. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on House of Zwide. So Gogo Sia went to the scrapyard and said that in Elifedumnyama, there's something that is holding Msizi back. It will never succeed. He knows what he needs to do. He needs to confess. And then, Faith overhears Msizi talking on the phone, mentioning Gogo Sia. Faith was shocked ukuthi Msizi uhlangana phi noGogo Sia. Remember that time when Gogo Sia went off at Msizi acted as if akamazi. Kanti uyamazi Gogo Sia. And then Faith decided to follow her, to follow Msizi to Gogo Sia's house, and overheard him say that he had a hand accident Shoki. So he had a hand in Shoki's passing because he wanted to destroy, Unkosi wanted to destroy him, so he tampered with his car brakes. That's caused the accident. Faith was shocked. Msizi wanted to kill umntanakhe Unkosi. She was devastated because how does she choose here? Because Unkosi is his son. Msizi ubhuti wakhe. Now Msizi uyenze into ebuhlungu kangaka. Like, she was devastated. She started thinking of Shoki in hospital, saying ukuthi Unkosi was rushing somewhere. He tried to brake, he tried to slow down, but it didn't work. Available on Faith ukuthi Msizi had a hand in this. Msizi wanted to kill Unkosi. And then she confronts him, tells him, I followed you. Nguzwile ukuthi wena, you had a hand in Shoki's passing. So you wanted to kill Mfanwami, you wanted to kill Unkosi. Your Faith could not even look at Msizi, because how is it that the only brother that is supposed to protect the family, is the one that is killing umntanakhe? She was devastated. Msizi tried to beg us, don't even touch me, Msizi. I footsake man, Msizi. It was just the way she just said it, ne? She was just like, you know what, get lost. And then she gives Msizi an ultimatum, you have got 24 hours to hand yourself over to the police, or else ngizowenzela mina. This must have been very difficult for Faith, because uyamthanda ubhuti wakhe, but uyamthanda noNkosi. How does he kill a female? And then Prophet Ezekiel announces that he's going to run for councillor, since Councillor Mthembu ushonile. And somehow Maria is not happy about that, says Isaac must not let him run for councillor, he must also run for councillor and not let Ezekiel win. Isaac is like, no, politiki di tlhakatlhakane man, that's an evil territory. And then this Carter guy goes to Maria saying, now Maria has to pay protection fee. Isaac was furious, went to him and approached him, go office ngiyabona. Isasa wasemambizo wafika wathi ngeklap uKarter. And then Mlife is concerned with now you're carrying your gun, it means you're in trouble, because now if he has gone and fought no Carter, means that now the family he needs to protect them all the time. Maria is not happy with Mampo wanting to take Ngwana with her, saying when you go explorer, you can go Ngwanaka, but Maribu saying Oshala go high. Now Mampo is busy pressurizing Tato or Atlato Dulalbona so that Maria can agree for her to take Busi. But Tato does not want to play. Now this whole pressure is going to make him agree just for the sake of one pressurizer. And he does not want to leave with Mampo. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.